Hi guys, I am Shreyash Irmale. Welcome in today's screen audio. Friends, today I am telling you information about cheetah. So, from this name, you only imagine the speed like air or the speed like light. The cheetah is the fastest running animal. His speed is near about 90 to 130 km per hour. So the speed is extra and not possible for any ordinary man or any ordinary animal. From the name, we can find that cheetah is Acinonyx jubatus and its body parts are small head, viscous, black teardrop shape that comes down from each eye, and white throat, yellow with black spots all over their body and long tail, and long legs from running fast. So they run fast. The cheetah is a carnivorous animal, live in jungle, and cheetah is our imaginary animal. His eyes can see his prey from longer distance, and he is the greatest predator. So we can find that cheetah is very nice animal, and my favorite animal is cheetah. So we can see that there are the facts about cheetah. So I will tell that fact. Cheetah spots serve as their primary form of camouflage. Female cheetahs tend to solitary animals. Cheetahs feed strictly on meat. King cheetahs have strips, and cheetah sounds can be heard from 2 kilometers away. So, from these facts, we can learn that cheetah is a very strong animal. And if 2 or 3 cheetahs come together, and if they catch any prey, so the prey is near about to death. So this is one group of cheetahs. A female cheetah, it is with her babies. The cheetah is running. Cheetah run by that position that it jumps very long and runs very fast. Cheetahs are the world's fastest land animals and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. So, from these things, we can see that a normal car takes more time to accelerate like cheetah. So, cheetah is not less than a machine, and I like cheetah very much. And from this, I will remain here, and we will meet in next audio. Thank you. Bye bye.